Don't pull out. Look at this. You
Hey, bankrupt pensioner, I just want to say that I'm a big fan of yours. A big fan. I've seen all your videos and are great. You're doing a great job. I just wanted to say happy birthday and carry on. Let's make motorcycling great again.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. What a beautiful day it is in October 2025. Just going over the road between Stoke-on-Trent and Buxton in Derbyshire. I forgot what road it's called. Whatever pass it is, you tell me in the comments below. What do you think to the ride iron jacket that I'm wearing? From a price perspective, if you order this via the link in the description, it will cost you less than £100. It's one of their winter collections. I will show you some of their winter collections right now, and the prices are fantastic. So order yourself a beautiful jacket. This one costs less than £100, which is great value for money. I'm on the GSX 1400 today, and I'm off around Derbyshire. Here we go. Here we go. And oh, beautiful to be out riding. I do have my heated jacket on below. Let's get past this rubbish. This GSX 1400 is an absolute dream. Let's pull in, get behind this truck, and then we can get away from this rubbish. Look at this countryside. Absolutely beautiful. My goodness, whatever's in this truck smells a lot. Give them a nod, say hello. So it's coming up Christmas. I keep on telling you Christmas ideas. Here we go, let's go for it. Here we go. Oh, I keep on giving you Christmas ideas, and I don't see any orders coming through. We're now in October and Christmas is only weeks away. So we've got the ride iron jacket that is the first time I've tested it out. It's a autumn, winter, spring jacket, and it's absolutely brilliant. The fit in it is fantastic. It's nice and warm, although I do have my heated jacket on underneath because it's a bit chilly today. Don't pull out. Look at this, you fucking idiot. This is what we got to put up with. Jesus Christ. Anyway, five-piece armour throughout the jacket, shoulders, elbows and back support. It has a lining in it which can be removed. It has two main pockets at either side at the front as you normally would have, and it does have an inside pocket which is in the main jacket. You can't get to the inside pocket when the liner's in. Well, you can, but it's just a bit fiddly. What a lovely day. In fact, because people are so stupid today, I'm going to put my high beam on so that they notice me. Let's get around this. Hopefully no more cars. Let's get behind the shit van. Oh, and get in front of it. There we go. It absolutely stinks. And it's dropping shit off. Here we go. Let's quickly do it. My goodness, this GSX 1400 has so much torque, it just pulls like a train. So yeah, this so I should have by now flashed up some of the autumn winter gear that you can get from Ride Iron. They really do offer good quality stuff at a very, very reasonable price, shipped to your home address, and using my code you will get a discount which will bring the price at around £100 or less for the jacket. So start ordering your presents for Christmas. I can't believe it. There's also the other stuff like the Pun Cube wallet. No, people are looking at it, but they're not ordering it. I can't believe it. The Pun Cube wallet has been brilliant. Thank you to the person in October who ordered the Auchi C6 Pro. One order. Thank you for that. I got a bit of commission from that, or I will be in the future. Yeah? Thank you ever so much. I really appreciate it. All that little bit of commission, which isn't much, helps to make videos just like this. Just like this. For you to enjoy. Look at this countryside. Absolutely beautiful. The roads are nice and dry. There's a bit of damp in the air, only a little bit of damp, but you know. And this, you know, I'm really pleased with this jacket. I shall be wearing it again in the future. It's got a nice orange flash on it. Down 2 gears. Let's get over the ridge of this hill and then take out this van. Can we take it? No, not yet. Not yet. Let's be safe. Let's just look at that. My goodness. So this is the road where the Winking Man is. Look at it up on Google. Put Winking Man Buxton, and it's a formation in the rock that when you drive past it, it looks like the Winking Man. Now I'm coming into Buxton. So you really need to start thinking about. Here we go. Let's take him. God, this bike's fast. Just look at that for a view. So I'm putting some miles on the GSX 1400, and once it's done about 500 miles, it'll then go into storage for next year in 2026, when it will come up for sale. If you're interested in the GSX, give me a shout. It will be on the market for approximately £8,500. It's up to you. And as you can see here, it's only got 2,382 miles on it. When I've finished with it, it will have 2,700 miles, because I need to put 500 miles on it to make sure I'm absolutely happy with absolutely everything on the bike. So when it's got 2,700 miles, it will be going into the garage and then prepped over the winter period in readiness for March and April, when it will go up for sale. You either buy it direct from me for £8,500, or you can buy it from the Potteries for £9,500. It's completely up to you. beautiful. She rides like an absolute dream. Don't forget to order your Christmas presents. You've got the Auchi screens. You've got the cameras that I use. You can always go and order yourself a camera. I'm actually recording the front view here on the DJI Nano. That's a great Christmas present. Click on the link below and order yourself one through Amazon. I do get a little bit of a commission through Amazon. I see that lots of people are looking, but no one's buying. Oh, let's just raise that. Hello, hello. Oh, it's a beautiful ride, beautiful. Now I'm riding now into Buxton. And Andy behind me wants me to turn right. Here we go, let's go down here. Look at that, there's the new Renault 5 electric. Idiot parks in the middle of the road. I'm sorry, I'm a bit grumpy today. Went through the usual argument with the better half about going out riding on a motorbike. As you probably know, and this is bambling on and on and on now. As you probably know, I work from home, and as such, for the whole week I stick at home and work with our global organisation and rarely venture out of the house. I might every now and then go for an hour's ride on the motorbike, but it's only down the road and back. And she was there complaining that it's the weekend and it's her weekend off from her work, and I'm going out for a 4-hour ride on a motorbike. It's like constant. It's like, my goodness. And then, you know, we've parted on not on a heated wave. Let's not exaggerate it, but it wasn't the best wave. It reminds me of my ex-wife. And you should never go riding halfway through a heated discussion. You know what I mean? Because if anything happens to me, she'll not be happy at all. You know, you shouldn't. I shouldn't walk out the door and get on a motorbike with her where it's heated. Yeah. Just remember that. Never go out on a motorbike where it's heated. Personally, I really don't give a shit. I do give a shit, but not really that much. There we go. There we go. Traffic. Actually, we need some breakfast. I'm sat here. There we are. Oh dear. Look at those guys, they're going motocrossing today, or going off-road, green laning or whatever. God, they look big guys. Great times. Saturday morning this is. What time is it? Yeah, it's 11:15. Yeah, I used to have massive arguments with the ex-wife about going out on the bike. Massive arguments. I'd say, oh, you don't want to know. You don't want to know about it. You really don't want to know about it. But, yeah. Do you have that problem? Put it in the comments below. Do you have that problem where you're arguing about going out for a ride on the motorbike and, you know, your missus does not like any of your male mates? Yeah. They don't like the male mates. It's like, for fuck's sake, what is this about? Do you understand what I mean? This is an interesting conversation. And they're advertising a ride iron jacket that you should buy, and now we're talking about marriage guidance. Why do women? I mean, Andy's behind me and he's having the same problem, and all my other mates have the same problem. Constantly arguing about going out on motorbikes with the missus, and the missus doesn't like any of their friends. You know what I mean? What's this about? Dunno. Is it just me? Do you have this problem? Yeah? Why are women doing this at this moment in time? Yeah? I don't remember my mother doing this with my father. Yeah? I don't remember that. She was happy to get rid of him. Things were different all those years ago. Now women just seem to, or is it just me? If there's any women watching this, you tell me your side of the story. I'd love to know. Comment below. Very few women. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate you to subscribing. And don't forget to give the video a like if it means something to you. Christmas is coming. Order your Christmas presents from Bankrupt. I'm desperate for money. I see over the last days, weeks, the little donations have dropped off via PayPal. I do encourage you, if you want to make a donation, be it £1 or whatever, just do it through PayPal, because all these other organisations take too much of a slice. If you give a payment through YouTube, they take 40 or 50%. That's not fair, is it really? But it is what it is. So, you know, take it from there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the scenery. Don't forget to order your kit from me, or go over to the Bingley Wheeler and order your kit, or Username Kate. They're bigger channels. I'm going to have to, as soon as I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to turn this into a proper business. And we're not far off 10,000 subscribers. I'm coming up 9,000 subscribers now. It's amazing. Thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Ride safely, and I shall see you very soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.